Hello, my name is Michael, and I'm going to show you a app that I deployed in the Google Cloud Platform, and actually how I pushed my source code to GitHub and made commits using the GCP. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my project is selected, Flask Delivery. I'm going to open up a Cloud Shell. Alright, and this was old, so let me restart this Cloud Shell. And while it's doing that, let me show you actually my GitHub that I actually pushed these files to. I have makefile, readme.txt, the app.yaml, cloudbuild.yaml, and main.py with requirements.txt. So this is a simple app that actually just allows me to pull up a website, and it will actually return, hello, my name is Michael, and I like AI and machine learning, and also using JSON. This JSON function will actually, once a value I insert, will actually return it as JSON. All right, let's see. Still waiting to load up. So let's show you, while that loads, I will actually show you what the function of my app is. So my app's called Flask Delivery. So I'll actually open that up, new link. flaskdelivery.appspot.com. Click on that, here we go. Hello, my name is Michael, and I like AI and ML. Alright, so I'm going to make some changes to that. Here we go, so it finally popped up. So let's make sure that my project is set to flask delivery dash delivery. So go ahead and set that. Alright, now I'm going to list out directory. Alright, I'm going to change the directory to flask underscore delivery. There we go. And now I'm going to list out the files, and then that's the files that I added beforehand. So I'm going to show you an example of how I edit the file and actually will make a commit to my GitHub repository. So I'm going to actually open up my README file. Okay, I don't know what that was from. Maybe that was from an additional. Alright, so here it is. This is a test. This is a test. That's what was in my original. So I'm actually going to change that and say, let's say this is an example of continuous delivery. Sorry, continuous. Correct. Delivery using Flask and pushing source code using GCP. This application has basic functions such as returning a custom message in HTML and has the ability to change a name to JSON. Alright, so it looks good. Now I'm actually going to go down. I'm going to quit write. I'm sorry, save and quit. There we go. Then I'm going to go back. And I'm actually going to update this. So All right, so I'm going to do git commit message. It's going to be, I'm going to say update readme file. Okay. Here we go. So, all right, so we push those. All right, now I'm going to go to my GitHub and see if this actually worked. So I'm going to refresh it. Sorry, my Firefox has been a little bit slow lately. May have to restart it. There we go. So there it is. It's down there. This example continues delivery using Flask and pushing source code using GSP, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I actually saw this earlier that in my main.py, I'm going to actually change this. I see an error in there. So I'm going to show you another way to actually change the source code without actually having to do it in the console. So go back, and we're actually going to launch the editor, which is an IDE within GCP. Alright, so here it is, actually in main.py, and I'm actually just going to copy and paste from Professor Gift's example of hello machine learning. So he has the one for the JSONify, so I'm going to just copy. I'm actually going to replace this example. Make sure that's in there, import JSONify, and I'm actually going to make sure it's saved. Oh, it's on autosave, so it should anyways. So I'll save that. Now I'm going to go back and actually push this change to GitHub again. So I will go to git add git commit git commit message change JSON function. Okay, it's good. Now I'm actually going to git push master origin. Actually, git push origin master. There we go. Looks good. There we go. So now let's check and see if in fact it got pushed. So I can see my commits up here. Here we go. Change JSONify function. Go here. And then I'll actually see updated. Yep. JSONify value. And also, as Professor Gift said, we can actually check this function and actually test it out locally before we deploy it to the cloud. So let's see, let's do Python main.py. There we go. We created our local virtual machine, and now we're going to go and actually test this in the web preview. Alright, so here's the original. Now, if we actually change this to -name let's use my name, Michael. Spell my own name. Oh, here we go. So it's an example Professor Gift gave. It actually gave you like the format structure, but it looks like using Firefox, it just automatically. Oh, here we go. Raw data. Here's the JSON function. And here we go, Michael. So I showed you how to do a commit using the console to GitHub, as well as edit a file using the IDE within GCP. and actually push those files to my GitHub. All right. Well, thank you so much.